Hi everyone, today we are diving into the fantastic world of making our outdoor space pop with life and color. No fancy gardening here, just good ideas to jazz up your garden. Imagine a place where every leaf, every flower tells a story. We are not talking rocket sciences, we are talking about turning your outdoor spaces into a cozy, vibrant haven. Whether you are a seasoned gardener or just someone who loves a bit of greenery, stick around. We have got some nifty tricks and down to earth tips coming your way. Now let's be real. We all want a garden that is not just there but makes a statement right. I mean, does not want their neighbors picking over the fence wondering how had they do that? Well, my friend, today's the day you become the garden guru of your block. We will chat about why outdoor plants are like the unsung heroes of home decor. So grab a copa, settle in, and let's talk about turning your outdoor spaces into a place that is not just green but seriously AV worthy. Sound good? Choosing the right plant. Alright, let's kick things off from the first big question. What plants are gonna be your green sidekicks? No worries, we are not diving into the encyclopedia of plant here. We are talking about the cool ones that particularly take care of themselves. Think of them as your own low maintenance budgets. You want outdoor plants that are like the chill friends who don't need constant attention, just some occasional love and they are happy. Now picture this, a garden bursting with colors like a lively paintings. That is where our plant picking journey begins. We will chat about plants that are basically a guarantee. You water them and they go. Thanks, buddy. I got this. No PhD is gardening required, just a bit of common sense and a sparkle of excitement. So grab your metaphorical gardening hat and let's explore the world of outdoor plants that bring joy without the fuss. Creating plant arrangements. Okay, let's dive into the fun part. Making your outdoor spaces look like a jumped out of a magazines without breaking the bank. First off, mixing and matching your plants. It is like creating a little natural orchestra. Think of it as your garden's playlist. You want variety, right? Big, small, colorful, and greens. The whole shebans. It is like picking the members of your dream team. Some plants are show toppers, other are the backup singers, but together they make a harmony that is music to your eye. Now let's chat about containers. Nope, not talking about anything fancy here. We are talking about everyday stuff. Buckets, old crates, even that worn out boot you were about to toss. These are not just containers, they are like the frame of your plant masterpieces. Your favorites flowers in that vintage teapot grandma gave you. Instant charm, right? It is like giving your plant a comfy home with a touch of personality. So grab this random container lying around and let's turn your garden into a gallery of green goodness. Decor the ideas. Alright, let's roll up our sleeves and get crafty. You don't need to be a crafting wizard for these ideas, just a bit of enthusiasm. First up, ever thought about adding a personal touch to your garden? Well, imagine this, you are very our own handmade garden science. It's like giving your plant a voice. Grab some wood or even old planks, paint them up with bright colors, and scribble a fun plant related quote and name on it. Voila, you have not a custom sign that will make your garden uniquely yours. Now let's talk about being resourceful. You know those random things lying around your house. Turn them into cool planters. Think old buckets, wooden carts, or even worn out boots. Yep, it's you heard right. Boots. Fill them up with soil. Add a cheerful plant and suddenly your garden has a personality all its own. It is not about spending big bucks. It is about having a bit of fun and letting your garden reflect your creativity. So gather your odd and ends. Let's imagine a run wild and let's give your outdoor space a dying makeover. Seasonal decor changes. Alright, so here the scope of changing things up with the season. When spring rolls in, it is like Mother Nature hitting the refresh button right. Time to sparkling from some powers. Picture this bright daffodils, tuples showing off these colors. It is garden festa. We will chat about how to give your outdoor space that fresh springing vibe. Think of it as a wardrobe change of your garden, swapping out winter coat for floral design dresses. Now let's fast forward to the cozy days of fall. The leaves are doing their golden dance and there is a chill in the air. How about bringing that warmth into your garden? We will chat about adding autumnal touches, pumpkins, warm tones, flowers, maybe a cute scarecrow friends. It is like giving your garden a snug, comfy sweaters or the cool days. So whether it is the bloom of spring or the cozy embrace of fall, we have got ideas to keep your garden in style all year round. Alright, folks, let's spice things up a bit with some questions and chit chat. I know, you might be thinking, why do I care about questions? Well, it is about you, my friends. Got burning thoughts about plants? Shoot them in the comments. I'm here to spill the dirt of on all things gardening. We are talking the real deal on gardening secrets here. Just honest plant talk. So hit me up with your curiosities, whether it is about plants, decor, or just my neighbor cat think my garden is a playground. So hit that subscribe button if you have not already. We have got more gardening goodness coming your way.